If you've ever needed to see crop marks in Microsoft Word, whether you're preparing a document for printing or just want a cleaner way to check page boundaries, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn them on. Crop marks are a helpful visual guide, especially when working with layouts, print-ready files, or documents that need precise alignment. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple word tips and computer tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure the document you want to work on is already open. From the top left corner of Word, click File. This opens the main menu where you can access Word settings and preferences. Next, look all the way down the list and click Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where you can change advanced settings for how Word behaves and displays content. Once the Word Options window appears, click Advanced from the left-hand menu. This section contains a long list of detailed display and editing settings, so don't worry if it looks crowded at first. Just scroll down through the advanced options until you find the section labeled Show Document Content. This is the area where Word lets you control how your document appears on screen. Inside this section, look for the checkbox that says Show Crop Marks. When you find it, click the checkbox to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, crop marks will become visible in your Word document, helping you see the page boundaries more clearly. After that, click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to save your changes. Once you return to your document, the crop marks should now be displayed. If you don't see them right away, take a second to make sure you're viewing the document in a normal layout mode and that the setting was saved properly. And that's it. You've now learned how to show crop marks in Word in just a few simple steps. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference when you're formatting documents for print or checking layout details. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.